In this video, let us see how to install Appium WebDriver and Appium Doctor. The command to install Appium is, you can see that -g param, which ensures that Appium is getting installed globally in your Mac. Wait for a few minutes for the installation to complete. The installation is completed successfully. Now let us go ahead and install WebDriver agent. Now finally let us install Appium Doctor. And here again you can notice that I am using -g to install Appium Doctor globally. All the installations are completed. Now let us check the Appium version. We are on 1.17.1 and with Appium Doctor we are on 1.15.1.